Hello everyone, welcome to TubeU channel. I'm Henry. I have several unused notebooks. They served me very well, but now they are too old to run the latest software. Before I have found where they can be used in some places, I will use their power supply first, since they usually can support more than 50 watts. Today, I will tell you how to simply change them to a power station. Stick around. Let's start. First, when they are used for definite voltage, for example, as LED strip power supply, 12 volt, this LED strip is very cheap, but no power supply with it. It is about 25 watt in 5 meter long. I directly use one XL4015 DC-DC converter, which can support to about 65 watt power. Adjust the output voltage to 12 volt. Add some on-off switch and in-out connector. Put all of them in a small box. It works well for me. Second, I will make an adjustable DC-DC power station. This time, I will use two DC-DC converters. One is to adjust the maximum output voltage. It will be fixed after the first time adjustment. I use XL4012 DC-DC converter as above one. Another is an adjustable voltage regulator, which can adjust the output voltage real-time. I add a digital voltage and current multimeter to monitor the real-time voltage and current. There is no instruction manual in my package for this multimeter. You should be carefully connecting the wire since I broke one in my first attempt. I recommend using a 9 voltage battery for the display power separately. Add an on-off switch to control the display condition, so you can turn off the display anytime. Connect the output to a SPDT, a single-pole double-through switch, which now can change the polarity of the output. The measured voltage and current have no polarity. This SPDT switch also plays as an on-off switch in fact. Let's check if it works or not. It works very well. We have made a well-functional mini adjustable DC power station. That's all for today. I hope it will give you some help. Hope you'll be fine. And do me a favor, click the subscribe button. Also, leave your comments so we can know each other. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon again. Hope you will have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the small bell so you will not miss the update. TubeU channel is waiting for you.